Hello, class. This is your Bridges Chapter 5 review for your quiz on Friday. In this video, we are going to look at vocabulary and spelling as always. In this chapter, we learned a little bit more about travel. So we will talk about what are the best ways to travel from place to place, and multi-step math problems at the end. So here we go, vocabulary. Can you guess this word? It's travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. Do you like to travel by bus? Yes or no? Okay, moving on. This word, can you guess it? Here's the picture. The word is near. N-E-A-R. Is Canada near Taiwan? Yes or no? I think the answer is no. So far. Okay, next one. Can you guess it? The word is between. B-E-T-W-E-E-N. So in this picture, where is the milk? The milk is between the box of cereal and the bowl. Next one. The word is break. B-R-E-A-K. I worked really hard today, so now I can take a break. This word is slowest. S-L-O-W-E-S-T. Traveling by turtle is the slowest way to travel. Oh dear, they're not going very fast here. It's very slow. The slowest. Okay, next one. Can you guess it? It's where you go to catch a plane. It's an airport. So you have A-I-R for airport. P-O-R-T. Before taking a plane, you must go through an airport. And it can take a long time, right? Two words here. It's bus station. B-U-S for bus, and station. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. T-I-O-N. Bus station. There are many buses at the bus station to take you all over the country. This is stop. And you can actually see it on this picture. It says bus stop. So S-T-O-P. And stop can be a noun. So in this sentence, there is a bus stop near my house. Here, a bus stop is kind of like a place. It's a place where you go to catch the bus. But as you know, stop can also be a verb, so this is also a correct sentence. The bus stops. You can say the bus stops at the bus stop. Okay, moving on. Here we have island. And island has a secret S here, so it's I-S-L-A-N-D. Island. Taiwan is an island. And here the word is, or the words, because it's two words, get ready. So we have get, g-et, G-E-T, get, and ready, R-E-A-D-Y, get ready. And you can get ready for many different things. You can get ready for school, get ready for class. This guy here, he is not getting ready for class. He is getting ready for bed. Okay, good job. That's your spelling. Make sure you know how to spell those words. Next, we're going to look at best ways to travel. And we saw in class this map in our Bridges textbook of different places, different cities, towns, or villages. Let's take a look at them one by one again. So first we have Bristol. Bristol is a big city, and it is also an island, which means that there is water all around it. So to get to Bristol, you can travel by boat or by airplane. So where can you go if you are in Bristol? You can go to Springfield, because there are boats that can travel between Springfield and Bristol. Springfield does not have an airport. It is a small town, but you can still travel to Bristol by boat. You can travel by train or you can travel by car, but no airport. If I take a car from Springfield, I can go to Franklin. And Franklin is a much smaller town. You can see there are less buildings. I also know that it is a small town because there's no airport, no bus station, or no train station. To get to Franklin, the only way is to travel by car. So if I am in Franklin, I can take a car to Springfield, or I can go the other way and go to Clinton. I can follow the road and go to Clinton. Now let's see about Clinton. Clinton is a city. There are big buildings, so I know it is a city. There is also an airport, so I could travel to Bristol, to Franklin, or to Greenville. And especially I can go to Bristol by airplane, which is special. Okay, last, let's look at Greenville. Let's see, Greenville is, I think it's a small city or a town. There is a train station and a bus station. And what is special about Greenville is you can travel to Springfield by train. So you can see the train tracks that go through the mountains to Springfield. Okay, so now that we had a good look at that, we can fill in the blanks here. To travel between Greenville and Springfield, people will take a train. And like I said, it would be a really nice train ride through the mountains. I imagine it would look something like this, with all the nature around and the pretty mountains. So traveling from Greenville to Springfield would probably be very beautiful. Okay, let's see another one. To travel between Bristol and Springfield, people will take a boat. Yes, there's only one way. It's by boat. Another one. To travel between Bristol and Clinton. They are very far apart, but both of these cities have an airport. So people will take an airplane. Awesome. Okay, last one. To travel between the small town of Franklin and Clinton. Again, there's only one way. We can't take a train. We can't take a bus. We can't take an airplane. We need to travel by car. Okay, moving on. Multi-step math problem. Let's just review some math vocabulary first. When we do addition and we are reading a math problem, we may see some words like this: buy more, get more, make more, or get on. So when we see these kinds of words, we know that the number is getting bigger. So then we do addition. The opposite is subtraction. When we do subtraction, the number gets smaller and we take away. So if we are reading a math problem and we see words like we lose or we take away or something goes away or we get off, then we know we will have to do subtraction. Here is an example. There are 20 people on the bus and 5 people get on. Will we do addition or subtraction? If 5 people get on, that means that there are 5 more people on the bus. So we will do 20 plus 5 equals 25, addition. But now, if there are 25 people on the bus and 9 get off, what do we do then? Get off means they go away. Okay, let's look at a problem now where we do multi-steps. So that means we need to do more than one thing. Let's see what that looks like. Let's read this together. At the start of the year, I have 2 pencils. I buy 10 more. Then I lose 6 of them. How many do I have now? Okay, let's look at this step by step. So first, at the start of the year, I have 2 pencils. Then I buy 10 more. So this is my first step. I buy 10 more. Will I do addition or subtraction? What do you think? So we have the word more here, so that means it's going to get bigger. The number will get bigger, so it's addition. So we do 10 plus 2 equals 12. But is that it? Do we stop here? No. There is more to this problem. We need to keep going. So now I have 12 pencils, but then I lose 6 of them. I lose them, which means they are gone. How many do I have now? I'm going to do subtraction. So I have 12, which is how many I have. And then I lose 6 of them. So 12 minus 6 equals 6. So to answer the question, how many do I have now? Now I have 6 pencils. Okay, let's look at one more just to make sure we are okay with this. A different example. I have $25 in my piggy bank. On my birthday, I get $25 from my parents. Then I go to the store and buy a toy. It costs $30. How much money do I have now? Okay, let's do this again, step by step. I have $25 in my piggy bank. On my birthday, I get $25 from my parents. They give me $25. So 25 plus 25 is 50. So now I have $50. But then I buy a toy. So I'm going to have to give some of my money when I buy a toy. My toy costs $30. So I'm going to take my 50 minus $30 equals how much? So to answer the question, how much money do I have now? The answer is I have $20 now. And you can see the 2 steps. First we do addition and then we do subtraction. It will always be different, so we need to be careful and read slowly the question and say, what do I need to do first? Sometimes it will be addition, sometimes subtraction. Sometimes you will need to do 2 additions, or sometimes you will need to do 2 subtractions. So it's different every time, okay? But you guys should be good for now. That's lots of good stuff we do tonight. So thank you for watching the video, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Oh, so cute.